Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Principal Dr. Farida Sheikh, respected faculty, distinguished guests, proud parents, and our brilliant young cadets, Assalamu alaikum. It is a privilege to join you at the 5th passing out parade of Bakhtawar Cadet College for Girls, an institution named in honor of Mai Bakhtawar, a timeless symbol of resilience and justice in Sindh. As I look at the confident young women before me, I am reminded of the extraordinary lineage of courageous women who shaped our nation. From Madre Millet, Mohtarama Fatima Jinnah, whose integrity and resolve became a moral anchor for Pakistan, to Shhيد Mohtarama Bénظير Bhutto, the first female Prime Minister of the Muslim world, who broke barriers with courage and championed education, opportunity, and dignity for every girl in this country. Today, as we celebrate your achievements, we also honor the legacy of these remarkable women who believed that daughters of the nation must never be confined by limits. They must lead, excel, and contribute to Pakistan with full confidence and pride. What we witnessed this morning was much more than a parade. It was a display of discipline, excellence, and determination. This institution has made remarkable progress through the hard work of its faculty, the dedication of its staff, the support of the Sindh government, and the committed leadership of its administration and Board of Governors. Today is a proud day for all of them. To the parents present here, I congratulate you wholeheartedly. You trusted this college with your daughters' futures, and today they stand before us transformed, empowered, and ready for the wider world. And to our remarkable graduating cadets, this day belongs to you. You have shown through your perseverance, your training, and your spirit that the daughters of Sindh continue to rise with distinction. Standing here today, I feel a deep connection to my mother, Shhيد Mohtarama Bénظير Bhutto. Her life was a testament to courage in the face of immense challenges. She believed that Pakistan could only progress when its girls learned, led, and participated fully in national life. She often said that empowering women was not a favor, it was essential for our country's future. Her sacrifices, her vision, and her unwavering commitment continue to inspire millions, and I see her dream reflected in each one of you. Cadets, as you step into the next phase of your lives, remember that leadership is not only about achievement, it's about responsibility. Lead with courage, serve with integrity, carry the values you have learned here today, discipline, respect, and resilience into every opportunity that comes your way. To the faculty and administration, I thank you for nurturing these young leaders. The confidence and competence we witness today are the result of your dedication and vision. As I stand here looking at these bright, determined daughters of Sindh, I feel immense hope for Pakistan's future. A future where girls are educated, empowered, and equipped to shape the destiny of our nation. A future worthy of Mai Bakhtawar's courage, Fatima Jinnah's resolve, and Bénظير Bhutto's dream. मैं अपने दिल से दुआ करती हूँ कि आपका हर कदम कामयाबी, इज़्ज़त और खुशी से भरपूर हो। आपने आज जो मेहनत दिखाई है वो आपके रोशन मुस्तकबिल की पहली सीढ़ी है। आगे बढ़ते रहे। अपने वालिदैन का हमेशा ख्याल रखें जिनके वजह से आप आज यहाँ खड़े हैं, और इस धरती को हमेशा महफूज रखें। ये धरती आपकी पहचान है, हमारी पहचान है। पाकिस्तान की सलामती हमारी सलामती है। पाकिस्तान का मुस्तकबिल आप जैसे नौजवानों से मजबूत होता है। अल्लाह आप सबका हामी और नासिर हो। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।